Oh, Canada, we beat the piss out of you. Oh, little brother in the north couldn't even defend home ice. The Bash Brothers, aka the Chucky Boys, put you in a blender from the start. I've lost my beat, but it's okay. And we're just gonna start my rant this way. We don't want you as our 51st state anyway. If this is the way you play hockey, wait, is this your best sport? Find a new one, bums. We own you. Somebody play Free Bird, baby. USA, USA, free best country in the world.
Damn.
Change
Now we have to win.
all I can say. Free bird.
Yeah, we're definitely never stepping foot in Canada now after this.